Hello everyone and welcome to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today I have a special message for sophomores, rising sophomores I should say, because it's the summer before sophomore year and we need to talk about what exactly you should be doing to get ahead in your college process. So if you're watching this right now, congratulations, you made it through your freshman year and we are hoping that all went well and you are in a great position to start your second year of high school. Now, the first and most important thing you should be paying attention to your sophomore year is your grades. Transcripts are incredibly important in the college process, and you really only get 1 or 2 chances to explain a grade on a transcript. So you really want to make sure that grades are your first focus. The second thing that you want to be paying attention to as a rising sophomore is your narrative. How are you choosing to spend your time? Now that freshman year has passed, you don't have a ton of wiggle room to be experimental anymore. So you should really spend some time this summer thinking about your passions. What do you care about? Those are the things that are going to drive your narrative and help you really dig deeper into the clubs and activities that you pursue. When colleges are looking at your activities list, they care about one thing. Do you know what it is? Impact. Did you make an impact in the things that you chose to do? And the only way you can really make an impact on something is if you care about it. So this summer, I have a homework assignment for you rising sophomores. Think about what you really care about and make sure that your activities are lining up with your passions. Additionally, now is the time to start thinking about any pre-college preparation. So pre-test prep is really valuable and really important. Even though colleges say they're test optional right now, they may not last forever, and test optional doesn't always mean test optional. So we have another video on test optional. You can click over to that if you have any questions. Now is a great time to start thinking about pre-test prep, building those soft foundational skills that are going to make you a better test taker. It's also a good time to start researching colleges, because come sophomore year is a great time to start spacing out some of your college visits. And you can only really visit schools if you know that you like them. So just to recap what we discussed in this video, rising sophomores, you need to pay attention to your academics, make sure that your transcripts are strong. You need to really think about your passions and how you're spending your time. And now is a great time to start thinking about pre-college activities like pre-test prep and the beginnings of a college list. If this video is helpful, subscribe to our channel, and come back to Lotus Premier Education for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your college admissions process. See you soon.